Hi folks, this is Dan from Homes247.in and today we have with us Mr. Ramji Subramaniam from Sauberniga Projects. Hi Mr. Ramji.
Hello. Hi, folks.
So Mr. Ramji, how would you describe the current post-COVID realty market?
Post-COVID reality market has been in couple of ways. I would say the first quarter of 2020 has not been great. The financial year, I would say, April to June has not been great because it was a fully lockdown that time. Uh, Most of the builders, I'm sure, would not have done great at that point of time. So we also were in the same boat. No, not much of sales and not much of collections, but somehow we could manage through. But the second quarter has been better than the first quarter. Being an affordable segment, I think we have done pretty good. I would say it is as good as reaching around 70-80% of the pre-COVID situation. We do almost around 50-55 sales in Karnataka and somewhere around 10-15 sales in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So it's a kind of spread across at a 60-70% of the numbers that would have done pre-COVID.
So has the home buyers' desires, their needs, has changed according to the times?
Yeah, definitely. The home buyers, the concept I would say in an affordable segment or the middle class and the upper middle class customers have started looking at a change in the way they want to look at the homes. They have actually become really strong negotiators now. They want value for the money now. They want to move away from the rental house into their own houses. So a lot of demand under that segment is really coming up. So people are wanting to do their work from home, from their own home, than doing it from what you call as in a rented house or in a place where they're not able to comfortably live and things. So I think there's a lot of demand coming in for residential segment, and I am very positive about the future of the segment in the future, in the next around a couple of quarters also of this year. I'm sure that it's going to change a lot in the coming months also.
So how did the government help? Like, were there any aids, schemes, or something regarding, especially in the affordable sector, to make the market stay afloat?
Government has been supportive in multiple ways. I would say from the time the last 2 years, the reforms have come up with RERA, with the GST. It has been very supportive for the developers who are very genuine in this industry, who want to take it up very seriously, this business, because you would say that this industry is hardly some 20 years old, so it is still coming to a maturity stage. So I would say that this industry needs these kind of reforms coming in. And during the COVID time, I think a couple of things which the government has done good would be with regard to the extension of the income tax under the MAT category for another one more year, which has been supportive under affordable segment level. And the second one would be increasing the interest, what you call as rebate that you get, or the from 1.8 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs, where you can nullify against your taxes, is an advantage for the customers also. So these are the couple of things that we have done. But definitely, we do expect more than this in the market, because the market needs a lot of push from the government for the customers as well as for the developers, especially in the affordable segment where the customers can take advantage of the market and take it forward.
So, do you believe the upcoming festive season of Diwali will be a game changer?
Diwali is definitely a good time, but what we see, I would say that Bangalore is a migrated population city, especially in the places where we play the role of Whitefield and Sarjapur and the northern part of Bangalore. Bangalore is a migrant population city, which is cosmopolitan culture and things. And what we see during the festive seasons, that people are started going back, people are started traveling back to their hometowns and things. So it is not going to make a drastic change that we see. So we are very subtle about the kind of the sales that we expect during this festive time, and people are waiting and watching to hold on to their spend and things. So I would say that this might not be the right time for us to really take it forward, but I'm sure that the next post Diwali, there will be people who are going to come back to Bangalore and will look at better offers for their housing and residential market.
So, any special offers during Diwali season from Sauberniga Projects?
We are coming with an offer called Shield. I would say this is something which is very interesting. Shield is what we don't know. This is something, a shield against the corona, the shield against the pandemic, or shield against the kind of anything that you want to a war shield which you use. And we are coming with an offer called Shield, where the customer will have a lot of advantage during the process of buying the house. That is, he will not have to pay other than the initial 5% money or a 10% money, and till possession nothing he needs to pay. And post possession also, for a couple of years we are giving a job loss guarantee. Whether if he loses a job, he gets a 6 months of EMI paid by the company itself. So we are covering him from all the uncertainties in the market for him. So this is going to be a big advantage for the customer. So we call it as a shield offer. We're coming out with this, and we're going to run it till the New Year time. So there's going to be a pretty big offer for the customers.
That's a very indeed innovative scheme and a very innovative name for a real estate offer. So, Mr. Ramji, unfortunately, our time's up. It was such a great pleasure talking to you. And on behalf of Homes247.in, I wish you, your family, and the entire crew of Savarninga Projects a very happy Diwali in advance.
Thank you. And it's a great time talking to you. We really wish 24/7 Homes, also your viewers and everybody, a happy Diwali and a great 2021 to start very fresh. And let's come out of this pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.